start.
Another homologous series of hydrocarbons are alkenes and alkynes. These compounds contain at least one double bond or one triple bond, respectively. Because of these functional groups, so to say, both are known as unsaturated hydrocarbons, as they can both take on additional atoms as these reactive bonds open up. Just like alkanes, both have similar melting and boiling points because of their non-polar nature. Branches further lower the melting and boiling point as they have less effective packing. Naming is very similar to alkanes, except you must identify the double or triple bond within the longest chain. We'll firstly look at alkenes. So just like alkanes, we figure out the parent chain and name it with its prefix ending in -ene. So in this case, being a 5-carbon chain, its prefix will be pence and we end it with -ene. We also provide the location of the double bond with the lowest possible number. So naming it from left to right, it becomes 1-pentene. It can also be identified with this name, in which the location is written within the name. Both are totally acceptable. If we encounter 2 double bonds, then we prioritize the location of both double bonds so that they have the lowest possible number, and we add di in front to identify that there are 2 double bonds. An A is added in this case. When dealing with branches, the next step is to add the location of these groups being added. If dealing with 2 branches, both locations must be identified and di is added. Naming alkynes is exactly the same except the prefix ends with an "-ine". For example, both triple bonds are on the 2nd and 4th carbon, regardless of the way you take it. So 2,4-hexadiene or hexa-2,4-diene. It's kind of hard to pronounce. If there are branches, the rules for naming them are exactly the same.